in the October 2024 Physician's Licensure Examination. I will only call out the names of those who are present here. And may I ask the Dean of the schools, please accompany your inductees to the stage. With a rating of 87.83% from the Far Eastern University Nicanor Reyes Medical Foundation. In number 8, Dr. Ann Corinne Arellano Ramos. With a rating of 88.33%, both from the University of the Philippines. In 6th place, Dr. Martin Aaron Miranda Mamangon and Dr. Ryan Delphine Parungao Encarnacion. Encarnacion, please. In 2nd place, with a rating of 89.25% from the University of Santo Tomas, Dr. Rolter Lawrence Mispeñas Lee. In 1st place, with a rating of 89.33% from the Davao Medical School Foundation, Dr. Isaac Edron Jones Uribe.
Our heartfelt congratulations to all the board top-notchers. And to our honorable presenter, thank you so much.